What's going on, everybody? It's Conti here with another video. How to create and manage a playlist on your YouTube channel. Inside YouTube Studio Beta, scroll down to the bottom of your options on the left hand side to Other Features. Select Playlists. Existing playlists will appear on screen. To create a new playlist, go to the relevant button in the top right corner, left click once, and enter your playlist title. Unlisted means that your video will not appear in any video searches or on your channel page on YouTube. The private setting ensures that only invited YouTube account holders can view your playlist. Left click once on Create. The next window shows your public or privacy settings, the number of videos on your playlist, when the playlist was updated, and a description which I can also show you now how to add. As shown on the same window, there are no videos in this playlist yet. Go towards the bottom left corner and left click once on Edit next to your channel icon. To add videos, click on the relevant button on the right hand side of your new window. To search for videos on YouTube that you wish to add to this list, simply type in the video title or a word related to the YouTube video that you wish to add to your playlist in the search box that appears under Video Search. Left click on the blue search icon to the right and a list of videos should appear. Left click once on the video that you wish to add to a playlist. Should you wish to add multiple videos from this search result to your playlist, hold Ctrl and left click on another video. Selected videos will be highlighted in blue like these two top examples here. Left click on Add Videos. If you know the address of the video which you wish to add to your playlist in YouTube, go to URL, short for Uniform Resource Locator, which basically refers to the address which you type at the top of your web browser to access a particular video, and type this into the search box which appears before going to click Add Video. And if you wish to add a video from your own YouTube channel, simply go to your YouTube videos on the right and select the videos before going to Add Video at the bottom once more, like so. The image that appears next to your playlist is the same as the thumbnail which you will see representing the first video in your playlist. To play all videos, the button here or the thumbnail for the first video enlarged next to your playlist name can be clicked on. Left click on Add a Description to explain the purpose or theme of your playlist. Left click once on Share to create a link which you can distribute on social media. Other users with external social media accounts can also add videos to this playlist if you left click on the tick box which appears at the bottom. Embed enables you to create HTML code which represents your video file, which can be used by developers to add to website content, enabling other web pages to display your playlist. With additional settings such as the size of the video, controls and video text available below the video preview. The HTML code can then be copied and imported to a source code file for a separate web project that a developer is working on. If I were to highlight the embed code and copy this, press Ctrl and C to copy the embed code. Bear in mind that I've also ticked Show Player Controls and Show Video Title and Player Actions with a video size of 560 pixels wide and 315 pixels high. Here is a notepad file containing the code for an empty web document file. If I create a space in between the two body tags and paste my embed code here with Ctrl and V, and this will insert code into your HTML file which will make up the window which will play the videos from your playlist from YouTube. If I go to save this notepad file, this file will be saved as a .html file. The file name I will use is page 1. Click Save. I've now saved the page on my desktop with a Microsoft Edge icon above the title name. If I double left click on this icon to preview the file, Microsoft Edge opens with the thumbnail from my first video and a play button in the middle. Again, the embedded video also shows the number of videos in the playlist, along with a share option, watch later, as well as the video name next to the channel logo. And thirdly, the playlist can be emailed to a separate person by adding the email address next to "to." The optional message box enables you to write a second message which will be added to your email message to be sent with the link of your playlist. Click on send email once you've typed in the relevant contact address. A restriction mode can be applied to videos with content which may be deemed unsuitable for certain audiences. This can be found at the bottom of your video list in the playlist window. Should you wish to add a video to your playlist which you have previously watched whilst logged into your current YouTube account, you can see the previously viewed videos by clicking on History. And languages obviously affects the language displayed on the YouTube interface, but this does not determine the language that the content that the end users type in, such as those in the comment section. For now, I'm going to choose English UK. Should you wish these videos to play in a different order on your playlist, simply left click on the box next to the video number, hold your mouse button down and drag this to the section of the playlist where you wish for this video to be. Alternatively, videos can be moved around the playlist by going to More next to the duration and can be set as the first or last video to play on your playlist. Add and edit notes enables text to be added alongside the shortcut for each video. If I left click once and write an example message and click save, you can see that this can be used to add descriptions to each of the videos in your playlist. To change the playlist thumbnail, simply select the fourth option which appears underneath More. Bear in mind thumbnails from videos from the playlist can only be used, and external files such as JPEGs that you have saved on the computer but not on a YouTube video cannot be used. To delete a video from the playlist, simply click on the remove cross next to More. The playlist title can be modified by clicking on the pencil icon next to the playlist name, and so can the description. A reminder of the public or privacy settings is available next to the thumbnail. The globe icon here indicates that the playlist is public. Left click on the More icon in the top right corner of the playlist window to either delete the playlist with one left click, to add all videos to a separate playlist by ticking on the relevant playlist name in the list which appears, or to make a translation with the third option. Let's say, for example, we want this translated into Spanish. Inside your translate window, select the language that you wish to translate your playlist title and description if you have this to. In this case here, I'm going to go add new language. I'm going to select English as the original language choice and Spanish as the language to translate to. This language isn't currently available in the drop-down box that appears when I click on select language. So I'm going to left click in the search box and type this in. Left click once and go to add language. Go to the Google Translate website on your internet browser. This will obviously be the application that you use if you are not too sure how to translate your original text. My original text for my playlist title has been typed in the box on the left in Google Translate. And using the box on the right, I'm going to left click, hold my mouse button down to highlight the whole translated text result, and pressing Ctrl and C on my keyboard to copy. Press Command instead of Control if you're a Mac user. I'm going to return to the translate window in YouTube and press Ctrl and V in the Enter Translated title box underneath Translated into. Should you wish to undo this language at any time, simply left click on the delete language bin icon on the right. And you can do the same with the description box also. Click save. And your YouTube playlists should be translatable once they reach viewers from different countries. You can do as many translations as you wish. bear in mind that Google Translate is not always reliable and translations may be inaccurate. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.